Dominic, my partner, and I met, and he had these incredible ideas of how to work with the technology that I had been using in the industrial sector, use supply chain and asset management. He had these ideas of how does it connect to a consumer experience, right? To a guest experience. He had this idea of like giving people the key to the stadium, and that key would unlock all sorts of experiences. You would tap it to have your photo taken. You would tap it to collect points. All these points were redeemable, and you could go and get discounts at the store. So he had a vision for access control and cashless payments and experiential activations. And within a couple months, we called it Connect&GO and said, we're going to do this all over the world. And from stadiums and music festivals and large sporting events to today doing some of the most incredible and iconic leisure properties in zoos and amusement parks and water parks. It's been quite a ride. I think one of the greatest pieces of advice would be to take a minute, to take a day, a week, even a month, to just listen. That's what made our culture and our product so much better, is our ability to really reflect, absorb, share, and take more time as a team to really kind of just understand what we're building, why we're building it, who we're building it for. And the more we've done that, the more our product has become something that people love to use. Not just operators, but guests that start to come back with feedback saying how memorable their experience was, or how much they'd like to come back and do it again. And for us, I mean, I think that's the greatest reward. So that to me would be the advice I would give. To stay innovative, you have to have a mindset for it. You have to be able to remind yourself that just because you've developed something interesting or new, it doesn't always mean that it's connecting with the actual user of the technology, that it's also listening to that user to know and understand what could make their experience that much better. I think one of the most challenging things is to be able to celebrate failure, because this is what makes us innovative, is to constantly try, fail, succeed, try, succeed, fail, succeed. It makes it that much more interesting for us, not just as tech practitioners, but also as ambassadors for the guest. Connect&GO is a company that's dedicated to building the most innovative and easy to use platform for the attractions industry. I think our focus on innovation and our focus on really putting the guest first is not just a priority for us, it's also our clients' priorities. And so sometimes it's forgotten because we think about the immediate needs of our operations, or how it makes our day that much easier, which is very important. What's even more important is, are we creating the most memorable experience possible? And is that experience as frictionless as possible? Is it a seamless journey from being at home to coming on site to enjoying the entire day, and then to be able to relive those experiences or continue to think about them, to remember them, and to tell more people about them? So the more that we think about technology in a way of making sure that the guest is getting the most value out of their experience, then the decisions and the features that we create and the ideas that we exercise are always going to hit the right note, are always going to be focused in the right direction. And I think we have extraordinary focus, and we have a culture of innovation that I'm just so proud to be a part of.